Omega Hive base. Let's see how we do that. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to bring in some controllers. We got to take out a tower. As soon as we bring them in, we're going to retreat them. Okay, we're going to bring in some controllers. As soon as we bring them in, we're going to retreat them. We just want to clear out these guys. Bring in a couple of controllers, retreat them. Okay, we got one more to get rid of. All right, nobody shot that time, so no, I shot that time. All right, to get rid of the other one, we're now going to bring in and now while he is in the process of killing him, we're going to kill these guys with our nick, but as soon as you bring it in, be ready to retreat it. So deploy it and retreat it. Okay, we killed, say all those guys are now dead. Now we'll bring controllers in and we'll clean out these guys. So I have 4 controllers. 4 controllers are going to clean out this section. If he starts to move, we're out of there. Keep your eye on him. If he moves, because he will kill your controllers. All right, we're okay. Now these guys are going to come, so we've got to watch out for them. So we're going to shoot him. If these guys come, we're out of there because they will kill your controllers. Okay, no one came. Now we got to get this guy, but these guys will. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, that's what you're doing. We're going to get rid of this guy with our controllers. But as soon as they shoot, we're going to get out because we're going to retreat them. Because see, these guys start coming, they'll start bombing us. No, okay, they didn't. That's all right, but usually they will. Usually they'll come out. So we'll just send our controllers in. All you want to do is clean out these guys. We're going to take our time. We're going to make it happen. Maybe we've already killed them earlier. Usually I have to retreat them. Yeah, here they come. So these guys retreat, and these guys will kill them. All right. Now we're going to clean out these guys down here. We're going to shoot him, and we're going to take off because these guys are going to attack us. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. As soon as they fire, because all these guys are going to come, they're all going to want to kill your controllers. Just take them out. All right. Enough of that. Now we're going to bring controllers in again. We're going to clean out these 2 guys. Don't get close to him. We should be all right. So we're going to bring in 8 controllers. And all we're going to do is clean out things. So this is a little bit tricky, but you can do it. You just shoot a couple of them and then retreat. Okay, that should take him out. Now this guy's the one that you got to worry about. That should take him out. Okay, took him out. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to get rid of this Hermes. All right, now we're going to retreat them. Now we're using our helicopter. All we want to do is we want to clean some of these guys out because, again, these are full of drones, and the drones can't wait to kill you. So we're going to go way up here because these guys love to shoot us. We're just going to get a little bit close. We're going to just kill these guys. Just let them clean it out a little bit. they'll kill these two. Kill this one. They'll start getting a little resistance. We want to take this guy out. Okay, end it, or they damage us. The lag today is terrible. Let's see if it did any damage. Sometimes it does. If it does, we just heal it as we go. Hurry up and wait. Doesn't look like it got anything. Nope. Okay. So far, nothing. That's not him. Right there. Sharper Company, nothing. All right. Sometimes he does, but usually he doesn't. So we got significant damage done. Now we're just going to clean out this side, clean out the other side, and we're done. So first thing, we're going to bring in 7 controllers. And we're going to take this base apart one piece at a time. So I got 7 controllers, and we're going to take him out. Okay, that's it. He's gone. Oh, and also I'm using electric, so anything that attacks will be frozen in their pile, in their tracks. We're coming over here. We're going to kill these guys. We're going to kill these guys. We'll get a little bit of damage, but usually you're talking about a couple of minutes when we're all done with the base. Doesn't take super long. We're going to shoot here, and it should kill all this stuff. So we're shooting here. Bingo, got him. Now, we're going to shoot right here. We're going to shoot this guy. Okay, those guys fired too soon, but that'll kill all the stuff down there. All right, now the next thing to worry about is right there, the Hermes. So we're going to come over here and clean him out. Now, the guy that was in the tower is right there. So we've got to get rid of him. But you also got to be careful, because this escort will attack you. So just stop. Okay, good. Now we're just going to kill these little piddly guys because they harass us. But we want to get rid of the escort. He's the most dangerous thing. So we'll take out this escort. Okay, he's dead. Now we're going to take out, okay, these guys will just harass us, so we'll just kill them. They won't do you any significant damage. Really, I mean, you don't need to kill them, but I get rid of them. All right, now he's next. All right. Get rid of the escort, because the escorts will do you some damage. Okay, he's dead. Now we're going to come over here. We got one more escort we got to get rid of. Right here. And then we're going to shoot him, and he's going to run in here. He's going to kill all that stuff for us. So we come over here, and with all 7, we attack here. Okay. Over here, now we're only going to send in 3 because we don't want to kill it right away. We just want him to slowly die. As he slowly dies, he will draw all the drones in, and the drones will clear that whole area out. Just watch. See as he goes, as he runs. See what the drones will do? All right, so we're done with those guys. Now we're back here to the front. See, this guy wants to attack you. Settle down. Get in your position here. We're going to bring in 7 more controllers to do the other side. So I'll send 3 here, and I'll send 4 down here. Get rid of him. The sequence is important, because if you don't do it right, they'll attack you. And if they do attack you, just end the attack. Start again. Not a big deal. Okay, he's gone. Come on, come on. He's next. These guys will do significant damage if you don't kill them. Okay, now, the next step you got to get a little bit lucky. We got only three controllers. And what I want them to do, I want them to spread out a little bit. You can't always get them to spread out. I want them to shoot this guy. And he's probably not going to work. If you spread him out, yeah, they're going to kill him right away. Sometimes if you work it right, he'll run all the way down and he'll kill that, but he's not going to do it, so that's all right. We're going to come over here. We're going to get rid of the Hermes. All right, he's dead. Come here. All right, now leave 3 of them there. We're going to take the other 4. We're going to clear out this stuff here. We'll get a little bit of damage, but really nothing significant. All right, take him out. Now the next one's important because you want to get rid of this tower. So we're going to shoot right here. All right, bingo, we got it. Now let's bring all these guys out here. All right, this is not bad. This is looking good. Okay, he's not. Oh, we never killed that guy. Goofing off, I guess. This is not typical. Usually he's sitting right here, but he's not right now. So we're going to kill him. See if he moves. If he moves and comes after us, get out of town, because he'll kill you. All right, we're going to try it, see what happens. If he gets shocked, that'll be great. All right, maybe we can get him. As long as he doesn't go anywhere, we're good as gold. All right, good. He's not going anywhere. Now, we kill this, and he'll kill all this stuff. How much time we got? 30 seconds. Yeah, we'll probably have to restart. All right, this is the guy. There's a dragon. You got to kill the dragon. We're going to run out of time. That's all right. We'll just restart and take care of it. See if we can get the Hermes before it quits. No, we didn't get him. That's all right. We're really close to being done. All right. This time we'll bring in 8. You can only get 15 in a tune, so I'll usually either bring in 4, 8, or 7. Right now it doesn't. I mean, you could bring in 4. 4 is more than enough because there's nothing that will hurt you anymore. I mean, he might get a little bit of damage to you, but not really. These guys won't shoot you, so you ignore them. He won't shoot you, so you ignore him. You just kill them. Only thing that'll shoot you right there. And once they shoot, run away because he'll tend to shoot at you. Okay, that's it. Now we just got to kill these guys, and the base is ours. Sometimes it ends before you kill them all, but this one's not going to. That's it. That's all it takes. I'm not going to get any parts because I've got full, but let's see what I get. A little thorium. So, that's it. Go. Do likewise. Get yourself an Omega Hive. So let's take these people home. You'll see that there's hardly any damage at all. Uh-oh, time's running out.